Forex trading illegal in India? The answer is yes, Forex is totally illegal in India. And if you're doing Forex trading in India, then it is a punishable offense under the Indian government law, which can even lead to going jail and end up giving a huge amount of penalties. Now, traders, if we talk about the facts, so this is the official website of RBI, and when you scroll down here, you will see question number one, which says, "Can a resident person undertake forex transaction?" The answer given here is resident persons are permitted to undertake forex transaction only with an authorized person and for permitted purposes only. In terms of Forex Exchange Management Act 1999, which is the FEMA Act, now resident person undertakes forex transaction with unauthorized person and for purposes other than those permitted under FEMA shall render themselves liable for penal action under the Act. Now, what does this say? It tells us that if you want to start forex trading, then you have to do it under a authorized person who should be approved by SEBI or RBI, who should be a SEBI registered or a RBI approved. Now, if you do not follow their guidelines or you do not follow these steps, then you will be liable for the punishment, which is jail, or you have to pay compensation. And if you're caught with a big large amount, with a big large capital, then it might be that you won't be getting any bail. Now, what is the safer secure method? Now the question arises, how are these brokers operating in India? Now these brokers use a systematic loophole system in which they use P2P process. Now let's understand with a simple example. Suppose there is a person A and a person B. Now person A wants to deposit $100 and person B wants to withdraw $100. Now what does this broker do is they give the depositing amount to the person B and the withdrawal amount to person A. By this way both person A and person B will get the deposit as well as their withdrawal. So you must be thinking by this way you will end up freezing your account. Now, what's the solution to this problem? The answer is very easy. You have to find a trusted broker. Now, if you'll ask from me which broker I use XNS broker since 5 years, and my whole deposit and withdrawal is directly from my bank account. And till date, I did not face any kind of bank freezing or any other kind of issue because XNS is working since last 8 years in India, and they provide you a good leverage, a good platform to trade. If you want more details about XNS, I have a full playlist. You can go on my YouTube channel and watch the full playlist on XNS. How to withdraw, how to deposit, how to create an account, how to use XNS application, and everything else. Excellence have their own merchants which make the deposit and the withdrawal process smoother and easier. Also, guys, Excellence provides you a good leverage, a good platform to trade, and it's very trusted in India because it's working from more than 8 years in India, and I did not face any such problem till now. So, if you want the registration link, it is in the description. You can go and create an account and start your forex trading in 2025. I suggest you can start forex trading on XNS from $100 to 10,000 US dollar, and if you have capital above that, then you can shift to countries like Dubai and Malaysia. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. If you're new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe, and also I will be giving you my Telegram community link. You can go and even join that. So let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.